Protecting your lungs from these airborne particles requires wearing a high-quality dust mask. Dust masks catch small dust particles on their surface or in a filter, allowing you to breathe freely. If your dust mask becomes an integral part of your workshop's safety protocol, you'll be able to stand back and admire your finished project without coughing or sneezing. Check out the video to find the best dust mask for your workshop.
If they only knew the brutal places you work in, the grit and grime and dust kicked up every day, they don't know how hard your job is. But we do. You need protection that's rugged, comfortable, and low profile. Introducing the 3M Rugged Comfort Half Facepiece Reusable Respirator 6500 series. Your lasting defense against the harshest environments. A respirator rugged enough to withstand long hours in harsh conditions, yet comfortable to wear. Its low-profile design gives you the freedom to work in compact workspaces, while the textured silicone face seal and strong, firm body helps keep your respirator stable, flexible, and comfortable, working with you, moving with you. The 6500 QL option, with its proprietary drop-down mechanism, offers fast donning and doffing for those frequently moving in and out of work areas. Stay productive with the 3M family of reusable respirators, the leader in respiratory protection for more than 40 years. 3M Rugged Comfort Half Facepiece Reusable Respirator 6500 series, built for the toughest of conditions and the people who work in them.
This is the new version of Basecamp Mesh Dust Mask. Ensure that the air you breathe is filtered. I'm going to show you how you replace the filter. 1. Open the mask to expose the interior of the filter valve. 2. According to the open directions on the valve, turn the valve counterclockwise, remove the cap and
Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this face shield. It's a half face shield. It's very comfortable. It's got a snug fit to my face while still being very comfortable. It protects against some of the organic vapors and gases. Like here's 2 of the cartridges that you could put on in this spot to be able to help with those. Right now I just have the P100 filters on, so those will be good. I just kind of want to give you a visual of what this looks like. So as we pull this one off, you can see that there's the goggles here, very comfortable, fit very well on the face. And then there's the actual nose piece, and if you can tell, like that allows for a lot of comfort there and a good tight fit around your face. Really works really well. This is the face cover by Moaron. Very comfortable. Like I said, it has different sizes. It can adjust to the different looks on your face, so that way it kind of just fits really nice and snug while still not pressing too much where it's almost painful. You're not going to have that with this one. This one's very comfortable, very practical. It protects you against a lot of the different gases and vapors that are out there. Go ahead and get one. They're incredible.